Hello, my name is Antônio Carvalho.
Hello, my name is Eldon Coutinho.
Hello, my name is Paulo Merson. We are Team Miyagi's Little Forests. We work at the Brazilian Federal Court of Accounts, TCU, which is a government agency that oversees money spending in the federal government. The three of us are developers in the IT department in Brasilia, Brazil.
We believe software architecture has multiple perspectives. In our solution, we documented them as different architecture views. In total, we created 8 architecture views.
The main architecture styles we used are microservice and EDA. There are 5 architecture views showing how we model the system in terms of REST services, event subscribers, and data stores. Let me pick, for example, the view that shows the part of the system that handles pharmacy food employees replenishing smart fridges. Very important. As anyone who has put together IKEA furniture knows, the diagram alone doesn't tell the whole story. Our architecture views have a diagram on top and an element catalog. Here you find relevant and non-obvious information about the boxes seen in the diagram. And in some views, we complemented the main diagram on top with a sequence diagram, a state diagram, or an activity diagram to illustrate the user journey or the sequence of interactions for a given transaction.
Microservices are part of the solution space of our proposed architecture. To better understand the problem space, we identify the subdomains we see in the pharmacy food business. Next, we classify the microservices and other components according to their subdomains and grouped them in DDD bounded contexts. This DDD context map shows the BCs we envisioned and their relationships. The relationships between BCs within the pharmacy food system typically use the partnership relationship. For the interaction with third parties, we typically use the anti-corruption layer relationship. The actual mechanisms for BC integration are REST API calls, domain events, and data replication.
Each bounded context is implemented following the hexagonal architecture, also known as ports and adapters, which we documented in this reference architecture view. In this architecture, external elements like mobile apps, web apps, and services in other BCs will call inbound adapters. The implementation of adapters is technology specific. The inbound adapters perform operations by calling elements in the application and domain layers, which are technology agnostic. The internal layers use outbound adapters to call external services, access data source, and to send events to other bounded contexts.
The last thing we want to show you is a deployment view that shows another perspective of the architecture. It illustrates what runtime infrastructure can be used to run the pharmacy food system. We agree with what Waco said in the first session that deploying to a public cloud would be the best option. We chose AWS as the target platform in this deployment view. Microservices are containerized and run in a Kubernetes cluster using the EKS service. We picked RDS with MySQL as the primary data store technology, and we used Elasticsearch for query data stores.
We took to heart the goal of helping pharmacy food. A driving criterion for our solution was feasibility.
We believe our solution is technically simple, but it's also sound and complete.
We want to thank Neil and the judges. It's been fun, and we learned a great deal, and we hope to share this knowledge with our peers at work.